So before I begin with this question, I want to tell something. If something is not understood, or if the writing is still small, you let me know, okay? Okay, so that I can write it bigger. All right, I have a very small handwriting, just naturally. Okay, so with that, okay, clear. Now you see, okay, I thought that I should make a separate video for this question because there is a lot of explanation that needs to be done for this given question. Clear? So the question is, if each side of a triangle is doubled, then find the ratio of an area of new triangle thus formed to the original triangle. So first you try to decipher what is the question telling us to find. So the question is telling us to find the ratio of the area of a new triangle. Okay, we have to find the ratio of the area of the new triangle to that of the original triangle. Clear with this? Okay, now they have given us, so we have to first find the original triangle. Okay, that means we have to remember the original triangle and the new triangle. So original triangle, you actually know, okay, it's we're going to use Heron's formula, so we're just going to use that. But what is the new triangle they're talking about? The new triangle is, the new triangle happens, or the new triangle is formed when each side of a triangle is doubled. Clear with that? We have the original triangle and a new triangle is formed when each side of a triangle is doubled. Clear? Now we'll first form the original triangle. Okay, therefore we can say S is given as, let A, B, C be the three sides of a triangle. Okay, sides of a triangle. The same thing, okay, so we have to first find S. S would be A plus B plus C by 2, and area of original triangle. Okay, original triangle, I'll write this as A1. Okay, that would be the Heron's formula, S of S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay, we're talking about the original triangle, so there's absolutely no changes to the given side. Clear? So this is what we have. Now what happens in the second part? If each side of a triangle is doubled. Okay, now you can write, if each side of a triangle is doubled. Clear? So therefore the sides, okay, of the new triangle will be, now we are doubling each side. So what will be the sides of the new triangle? It will be 2A double, okay, 2B and 2C. Clear with this? Up to this part, clear with this? Okay, it's just the question that I'm making use of. Okay, I'm just making use of the question. Okay, so now if each side of the triangle is doubled, the sides of the new triangle will be 2A, 2B, 2C. Clear? Now let us find the semi-perimeter. Okay, see, since we've already given an S, we're talking about the semi-perimeter of a new triangle, so I have to put a different notation. Okay, that means this will become 2A plus 2B plus 2C divided by 2. Now you take 2 common, 2 of A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, so you can cancel them out. All right, now you look at this, A plus B plus C. Can I write this as 2S? And how do I get this? I should have mentioned here. You look at this, if I take 2 to the left hand side, if it goes to the left hand side, it will go upside, right? So it will be 2S is equivalent to A plus B plus C. Clear up to this much? Okay, so S dash becomes 2S. Clear with this? Okay, and what is the S dash? S dash is the semi-perimeter of the new triangle, in which all the sides of a triangle is doubled. Okay, therefore the area of the new triangle, okay, let's name the new triangle as A2. Okay, so therefore what do you get? Put on the same formula, okay, S dash. Okay, remember the perimeter here, the new semi-perimeter is S dash, so that, okay, Okay, therefore you see here, okay, now let me just explain this. I'm just using the original, just the formula itself. Okay, this is just the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Now what is s dash 2s? So you replace all of this, but a in the case of this, what is the side of a new triangle? It's all doubled, right? Clear? So this becomes 2s minus 2b. Okay, 2s minus, this will be c. Okay, 2c. Clear with this question? All right, see, I'm just using the formula here. Okay, the notation, I put s dash to indicate that we are talking about the new triangle. All right, and in the new triangle, you must understand these are the sides. See, usually the formula, originally the formula is what? S of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Clear? But in the new so I've just written this, right? So since we're talking about new triangle, what happened to the sides? The sides doubled. So the sides, that means a became 2a, b became 2b, and the side 2c became 2c. So that is what I have done, replace all of this. Okay, now you take common. What can I take here? What is common to both of these? Can I take 2 outside? Yes. So I'm left with s minus a. What can I take? I can take 2. I'm left with s minus a. And then what is the common value I can take from here? I'll take 2. That is s minus c. Right? Now you see, you look at this. You pair them up. 2 into 2. Can I take it as 2 square? Now you see, even this 2 into 2. Can I take it as 2 square? Play with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you look at this pair, 2 into 2, so 2 square, 2 into 2, so 2 square. Now what am I left with? I'm left with s of s minus a, s minus, okay, sorry, this is s minus b, okay, s minus b, and then s minus c. Clear with this part? Okay, so now you look at this. Okay, those of you, again, I keep on repeating, but if you can proceed without this step, you do. Okay, you can proceed straight away. Okay, so you can, I told you what you can do. You can always remove this, right? You can separate them out, but for this, just keep it as it is. Okay, it will come in handy. All right, so you see, you can cancel them out. So when you cancel them out, you're left with 2 into 2 becomes 4 of s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. So we're almost there. Okay, remember, what is the question asking us? We have to find the ratio of the area of the triangle thus formed to the original triangle. Clear? That means the area of the new triangle should be in the numerator and the area of the original triangle should be in the denominator. Therefore, finally, you can write this as, finally, okay, so we are done with this much, right? So you can write this. Okay, therefore the ratio of the ratio is equivalent to what? Remember, what is it? What do we have to find? We have to find the area of the new triangle, okay, to the area of what? The original triangle. Okay, now what did we find area of the new triangle as? What is it? That is a2, and area of the original triangle is a1. What is the value of a2? A2 value is what? 4 root s of s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. And what is a1? It is nothing but s of s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Now you can cancel them because these are more or less the same. Okay, clear? So you can just cancel them out. Clear? You can cancel. So you have 4:1. Therefore the ratio is going to be 4:1. Okay, that is ratio of the new triangle with a1 is the same thing as 4:1. Clear with this question? Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, 4:1. Okay, so you can just, if you have not understood it, you just try watching the video again. Okay, clear? Okay, so we shall end it here. Okay, so I just wanted to do this separately because I thought it was important that you understood this properly.